Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to take slow motion video in Infinix Hot 11 smartphone. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open camera app. Then you need to swipe up from here. So it will show the more option. So you need to select slow motion from here. So I'll choose slow motion. Now we will take the video. Also you can change the FPS of the slow motion video. So there is option for 240 FPS and 120. So in this one the maximum option for 240 FPS only. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.